All right, so today we're going to be learning about break and retest and how to enter them. There's a few criteria you want to look out for. You want to look out for liquidity being taken. That's either the lows. If you're going to go ahead and buy, they usually want to take you out before they make the big move. So in this particular one, we're going to be looking up how to find our entries on a break and retest and just kind of maximize our profits. So in this example right here, I got this huge push, this huge bullish push up. So as traders, we expect for this area right here to show some type of reaction, right? But even before that, you see this right here, this sell to buy candle, this slight stop before we went up a little bit further, probably to collect more liquidity from the upside before we start pushing down. Now, there's no actual chart work for us to get an entry through here, not something that I see, but there is something right here. So we have, if we zoom in, we have this unmitigated area right there. So we can actually go ahead and check to see if that's something. So if we mark that, we can potentially get a buy up. Now, since it's pushing down and this is our real area of interest right here, we want to actually buy from here and not here. This could possibly be a sell. So what we're expecting, just like it showed, is price broke past this on the 3-minute, came back up, formed a sell to buy candle, and continued to sell down. And this one is actually a 1 to 2 that we actually took right here. If you actually put it all the way down to our area of interest, it would have been a 3.77% win. But we're only looking for one to two. So we don't actually know where the market's going to go. We're just taking profits as we can. Now, since this actually hit our area for the buy, we actually see a sell to buy candle right here. We entered off of this candle right here just to kind of show, just to see if it's really going to go up or not, and it's not targeting our stop loss over there. So this trade end up giving us a 3 to 7. And what we targeted was this area right here where it could have been a possible reversal if it touched this unmitigated OB, but we could see that it just ended up going higher to its max being a 1 to 6. Now I have one more example to show you, and then we're going to end the video. So that same area where there was a lot of buying from, so that area where there was a lot of buying, there could also be a lot of selling. So right here, we see that price just went ahead and just blasted through it and created this gap that the market will end up filling. So we're going to wait for price to get back into that area to look for a sell, okay? So this is the cool thing about the market, right? So you can see that this gap right here all the way up into here was filled in by the market. So since we see a sell to buy, we finally see a sell to buy candle, we can actually put our stop loss above the high and our profit targets grows to like right there. So that's how you check out and find entries based on break and retest and how I enter them. If you like my video, make sure you like it. Check out my videos for Forex in 60 seconds for tips, and then check out my other playlist to show you the 100K Forex challenge that I'm taking, and I'll see you next time.